Hello. I recently did a little hobby project that I think might be of use to other people, so therefore I'm making this video. Uh, the thing I'm going to show you is how I convert a PDF into flashcards for the program Anki, which is a free and open source computer program. Uh, I am using a Python library that's still under heavy development, so my code might break in the future, but I'll explain what everything does so you might be able to recreate it. You do need to be a little bit tech savvy because you need to know how to run a Python script and know how to use the terminal a little bit. So let's get into it. So first thing you need is a PDF. Oh, is a PDF. And it's important that the name of your PDF file has no spaces or parentheses in it, or like other weird things. Just name it like something basic because the script is a little bit uh, janky. Um, then you open the PDF in Firefox or Chrome, and you copy the index. This should work on like pretty much any PDF, I think, because modern PDF readers, I mean the ones built into your browser, have optical character recognition, which means that like even if you scan some document, it should still work. I think, but I haven't tried it. Oh, yeah, I did a wrong keystroke. Okay, and then the last page. Boom. Okay. So then you have this file. I called it definitions.csv, but you can name it anything you like. Okay, so now we have two things in your folder. You have your PDF and your CSV file. Then you clone my source code from GitHub. Okay. And you move the things in there. So basic math and definitions into underground notes. I called it underground notes because another book that I converted is called that. That's all. Then, okay, next thing we need to do is this CSV file has some problems because my program expects that every line is of the form one number, then comma, and one name, then a comma, and then one number, right? But as you can see, like this here is different, so we need to fix that. And another thing that might happen is if there's like a comma within the name, then the thing that comes after it is not a number. So then the program also gets confused. So I have two scripts to mitigate these issues. The first one is find broken lines. So here it said line 97 is broken, for example. So when I go to 97, yeah, you can see this thing has like no word in front of it. So it's broken. I think, okay. Yeah, so that's the first thing. So find broken lines just outputs lines that it thinks are broken. So now it doesn't output anything. So I think we fixed it. Then next thing is we need to convert these lines. And yeah, I have a script for that. I'll show you what it does. Fix duplicate lines. Yeah, I already have it in my... So you run this command, which means plug the definitions file into this script and output it to a new CSV file. And then what that did is it converted every line with multiple numbers into multiple lines with one number. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So now you should have a file. Oh, I called it definitions2. Now you should have a file where everything has just one comma in it and one number. Okay, at the end, one number at the end. Then next script we're gonna run is generate page images. I'll put all of these commands in a file in the GitHub repo so that you don't have to copy it from the video. One more thing we need to do is find this number here, which is the delta, the difference between the number in the file and the number in your PDF. I mean your actual page numbers. And for me, that difference. So you just do. In my case, it would be 447 minus 431, and mine happens to be 16. And that is just so that, yeah, I'll show you what that does. Okay, now you run this. This is might take a while. Oh, this is really slow. But yeah, okay. Maybe I'll cut this part out of the video. But what this does is it generates a PNG file for every line in your definitions file. So, for example, my definitions file had, I'm just trying to talk while this is going so that maybe I don't have to edit this video. So, for example, when it says generate page PNG, associativity is going to generate a PNG file called 61associativity.png. Okay, so that is done. So this created 3 directories. Now you need to copy the generate deck Python file to named PNGs. Okay. And in here, just run generate deck. It should be fairly quick. Now it creates a file called output.apkg. Now if we open Anki, yeah, this is the deck, but oh yeah, I forgot something. In here, so in the generate deck file, you do need to modify something. Where's the deck definition? Oh yeah, here. So, oh yeah. Okay, maybe I'll like update the script so that it does something proper. But you need to change this here to the name of your deck. So in the generate deck.python file, here on line 34, or yeah, the line number might change because I'm gonna update the script so that these are random numbers. So when that is done, you should have a file called output.apkg. Oh, sorry. And then you just go to import file, output.apkg. You open it. It should be imported fairly quickly. Now, one more thing that's important, that's useful is if you go to browse, oh no, you need to select the deck first, then go to browse, okay? Now this do column is all weird. I don't know why it does that. You select everything. If I can figure out how. So you select everything, then you go to cards and reposition. And now you can see this do column is just runs up like the numbers. So then the cards should be, oh wait. Oh yeah, I don't know. Okay, put it in reverse, sorry. But yeah, you get the point. You select everything, and then you go to cards, reposition. Yeah, so now the definition of a number, which is the first thing in my book, is the first thing that will be reviewed. So now if I go to study, what is a natural number? Go in here and then I can see for convenience, blah, 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 the name of the positive integers together with 0 we call the natural numbers. So here's my definition. So when I'm studying the notes, I'm just going to go like, okay, natural number, and then try and say the definition. Yeah, one more thing. There's duplicates in here, but you can always modify the deck and make it whatever you like. So if I go to all the cards, or yeah, I could go to the CSV file, but those lines that we converted with multiple numbers at the end, let's see if I still have it. No, so I think I deleted, oh no, I still have the original file. Here, so if we go to additive inverse in Anki, sorry, browse, additive inverse, look, there's 4 files with the same, I mean there's 4 cards that all say additive inverse. So you could then, when these come up, so when you need to relabel all of these at once, it's a lot of work. But the way I do it is just when these cards come up, you just give it a better name. So yeah, I don't know what this is now, but yeah. So for example, this one. Okay, but you get my point. That was all. I hope you learned something. Oh. No, I want to keep recording. If something, yeah, if something doesn't work, like leave a comment. I'm happy to help. Yeah, I hope someone can. I hope I can help someone with this. That was all.